Hello, bankruptcy attorney Brian Barboza here. Today I'm going to discuss whether or not a bankruptcy will stop a foreclosure of your home. But before we get started, if bankruptcy is something that you want to discuss or you want to know more about, please feel free to contact me. You can go right to my website, barbozalaw.com, and you can book an appointment to talk with me for free right through my website. So, will a bankruptcy stop a foreclosure of your home? The answer is yes, it will, but whether or not that will be a temporary stop to the foreclosure or a permanent stop to the foreclosure depends on your situation and the type of bankruptcy you're going to file. There are generally two types of bankruptcies that individuals would file. One's called a Chapter 7 and the other one is called a Chapter 13. Now, Chapter 7 is not designed to permanently stop a foreclosure. Chapter 7 is a very quick bankruptcy. It lasts about 90 days on average. It's not a reorganization, and in fact, it's called a liquidation bankruptcy. So with the Chapter 7, you would get some temporary relief. The lender would be stopped from foreclosing, but when the bankruptcy is over, usually about 90 days later, the lender then could resume the foreclosure process. Whereas a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which we refer to as a personal plan of reorganization, that is designed to stop a foreclosure permanently. So how a Chapter 13 works is, first, and this is very, very, very important, you need to file Chapter 13 bankruptcy before the home is foreclosed upon. Once the home has been foreclosed upon, bankruptcy will not help you. It's too late. So if you want to use bankruptcy as a method to stop a foreclosure or prevent a foreclosure, you need to actually file the Chapter 13 bankruptcy before the foreclosure. I can't stress that enough. So assuming that you do in fact file the Chapter 13 bankruptcy before the foreclosure, then what will happen is with the bankruptcy, what we call the petition, you're going to have to file a plan. That plan is going to require you to make monthly payments for 36 months up to 60 months. Those monthly payments are going to be large enough, or need to be large enough, to pay all of your back owed mortgage payments over 36 up to 60 installments. Okay, so whatever the amount is you're behind on your mortgage, your bankruptcy payments are going to have to be large enough to cover that those arrearages in the mortgage payments over the 36 or 60 payments. In addition, you're going to have to resume making your regular monthly mortgage payments. Now, oftentimes, what we'll do with the Chapter 13, we will put the entire mortgage payment and arrearages all through what's called a Chapter 13 trustee's office. So you'll be making a payment once a month to a Chapter 13 trustee. That will be large enough to pay your ongoing mortgage payments plus your mortgage arrearages broken down by 36 to 60 installments. Okay. As long as you make all of those monthly payments moving forward, and so you're staying current on your mortgage payments and you're making all your bankruptcy Chapter 13 plan payments, as long as those things are being satisfied when you get done with the 36 or 60 month bankruptcy plan, you should be caught up on your back owed mortgage and you should be current on your mortgage moving forward. And then all the other debt that you have, let's say it's medical bills and credit cards, all the debts that can be discharged in a bankruptcy case would be discharged at that point. So to summarize, a Chapter 7 will offer you a temporary stop to your foreclosure. A Chapter 13 could offer you a permanent stop to the foreclosure so long as you start making your monthly mortgage payments and you get caught up on your back owed mortgage payments through the bankruptcy plan over 36 to 60 months. Now, if this is in fact an issue that you're dealing with, if you are behind on your mortgage payments, I would be happy to discuss this with you for free. Please just go to my website, barbozalaw.com, and you can book an appointment to talk with me right through my website. So as always, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate the content. I hope it was helpful, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.